In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Steam games from one PC to another. There are two reliable ways to do this. A lightning-fast local network game transfer when both computers are on the same connection, and a manual transfer using an external drive. I'll walk you through both so you can pick what fits your setup. Let's start with local network transfers. This moves the game directly over your home network, often far faster than re-downloading. Sign into Steam on both computers and make sure they're connected to the same Wi-Fi or Ethernet network. On each computer, open Steam Settings, go to Downloads, and turn on Game File Transfer over Local Network. Set it to anyone so the two machines can see each other. Now, on the new computer, open your library and click Install on the game you want. Steam will automatically pull the existing files from the old computer instead of the internet. Keep Steam open on the old machine during the copy so it can serve the files. If it falls back to downloading, check both PCs are on the same network and that Steam is running on the source. If you prefer a cable-free copy or you are not on the same network, use the manual transfer with an external hard drive or USB stick. On the old computer, open your Steam library, right-click the game, choose Manage. Then browse Local Files. A folder will open. Go up one level until you are inside Steam Apps, then open the Common folder. Copy the folder that matches your game's name. Paste that folder onto your external drive, then disconnect it when the copy finishes. On the new computer, plug in the drive and paste that game folder into the same location. Local disks C, Program Files, x86 Steam, Steam Apps, Common. If you use a different Steam library location, paste it into that library's Steam Apps, then open Common folder instead. Launch Steam on the new computer and click Install for that game. Steam will detect the files you pasted and quickly verify them, which may still show an install button at first, but avoids a full download. That's it. Thanks for watching.